To save your SpatialXL map and your map layers, you simply click on the Save Excel button. This will save all your layers and themes and data you've set up in your layer control within the current workbook. When you open up this workbook again and click Show SpatialXL, you'll see all the layers you have set up appear here. If you have any layers in your layer controls that has a number of different themes, for example, here our customer layer has a number of themes and data and text labels we've set up. We can save this layer to our machine, which will mean that if we had any corruptions in our spreadsheet or we had to accidentally remove this layer in future, we could then access this layer again and add it to a new workbook. To save layer properties, you simply right-click your layer, select Save, Save Layer Properties to, and then browse to a location on your machine. For example, we'll save it here as a layer called Customers, and this will save as a .layer file. So if we were accidentally to remove this layer, we could then click on the Open Folder button here, browse to the location where our .layer file is saved, and click Open. And you'll see this layer will now add to our map with all our themes and data set up.